Seasons are important. You want to follow seasons because that's when the fruit is at its best. These mulberries right now are just amazing. We're gonna turn them into something beautiful. Follow us. So here we have it, a big nice container of fresh mulberries. These are super juicy, just amazing little sweet treats right now all over Sydney. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn them into a paste, a mulberry paste, a bit like the Queen's paste. And the mulberry juices will melt with the sugar. Fantastic, beautiful. And we want the lemon juice. Put it to the mix, slowly boiling away, doing its things, melting the sugar. And you want to boil it for 2-3 minutes in order for everything to just come together. And then you wanna whiz it all up with the stick blender, and all of this you will then put into a little mold and to make it a beautiful paste and turn your amazing mulberry into a mulberry paste.